think the black smoke monster's an alien. Why else does he want to go home?
It's funny that you say that, because I was thinking he was the devil.
No.
He wants to go.
No.
You hear that?
Oh, dude, is he crying?
Mackenzie, what are you doing?
I'm playing Heavy Rain.
Heavy Rain. Dude, I heard about this game. I guess they made it to make people cry.
No.
Dude, you just want to play like Mario or something? We could do 2-player.
We could play Nintendo, Carnival games.
3-player.
Just leave me alone.
Are you okay?
Fine.
Oh my god, dude, you need to cheer up!
I don't know if I can.
Well, if your depression is really this bad, then I think desperate times call for desperate measures. We should go to the happiest place on Earth.
Didn't have fun at f***ing Disneyland.
Freaking happiest place on earth, except for you, who's a little bitch who just cries about heavy rain all day.
I've been thinking about heavy rain all day to keep my mind off the fact that I was just diagnosed with cancer.
That sucks.